Creating a Facebook ad for a retargeting campaign involves targeting users who have previously interacted with your website, app, or other content. The goal is to re-engage these users and encourage them to take a desired action. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create an effective Facebook ad for your retargeting campaign. 1. Access Facebook Ads Manager. Log in to your Facebook account and navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. If you don't have a business account, create one to access the Ads Manager. 2. Click on Create to start a new campaign. In Ads Manager, click on the Create button to start a new ad campaign. 3. Choose Campaign Objective. Select the campaign objective that aligns with your retargeting goal. Common objectives for retargeting campaigns include traffic, conversions, or catalog sales, depending on your specific objective. 4. Configure ad set. In the ad set level, configure the following. Audience. Create a custom audience for your retargeting campaign. Choose the Custom Audience option and select the type of audience you want to retarget, such as website visitors, app users, or engagement on Facebook or Instagram. Placements. Choose where your ad will appear. Consider using automatic placements or manually selecting placements based on where your audience is most active. 5. Set budget and schedule. Define your budget and schedule for the ad campaign. Decide whether you want to set a daily budget or a lifetime budget. Adjust the duration of the campaign based on your retargeting goals. 6. Create ad creative. Design ad creative that is tailored to re-engage your specific audience. Consider including the following elements. Ad copy. Craft compelling ad copy that addresses the audience's familiarity with your brand or product. Highlight new features, promotions, or incentives to encourage a revisit. Visuals or graphics. Use eye-catching visuals or graphics that align with the previous interactions of the audience. If applicable, include product images or elements they showed interest in. 7. Highlight new offers or updates. Emphasize any new offers, promotions, or updates since the user's last interaction. This can create a sense of urgency or curiosity, prompting them to take action. 8. Include a clear call to action, CTA. Choose a relevant CTA button that encourages users to take the desired action. Whether it's Shop Now, Learn More, or Get Started, the CTA guides users on the next steps. 9. Utilize dynamic ads, optional. If you have a large catalog of products and want to showcase personalized ads based on users' previous interactions, consider using dynamic ads. Dynamic ads automatically show users products they have viewed or shown interest in. 10. Implement A/B testing. Test different ad creatives, headlines, ad copy variations, and CTA buttons within your retargeting campaign. A/B testing helps you identify what resonates best with your re-engagement audience. 11. Preview your ad. Use the preview feature to see how your ad will appear on different devices. Ensure that your retargeting message is compelling and relevant to users who have previously interacted with your brand. 12. Review and confirm. Review all the details of your ad, including targeting, budget, and creative elements. Once you're satisfied, click on Confirm to launch your retargeting campaign. 13. Monitor performance. Regularly check the performance of your retargeting ad in Facebook Ads Manager. Monitor metrics such as impressions, clicks, conversions, and return on ad spend, ROAS. Use the data to make adjustments as needed. 14. Engage with users. Respond to comments and messages on your ad. Engage with users who show interest or ask questions. Utilize this opportunity to address concerns or provide additional information. 15. Coordinate with landing pages. Ensure that the landing pages or destination URLs align with the content of your retargeting ad. Consistency between the ad and the landing page enhances the user experience. 16. Utilize exclusions. If applicable, use exclusion criteria to exclude users who have already converted or taken the desired action. This prevents unnecessary ad spend on users who have already completed the intended goal. 17. Retarget across multiple platforms. Extend your retargeting efforts beyond Facebook. Consider implementing retargeting campaigns on other platforms or through email marketing to create a cohesive and comprehensive strategy. 18. Optimize frequency. Keep an eye on ad frequency, which represents how often users see your ad. Avoid overwhelming your audience with too many impressions. Adjust ad frequency based on performance and audience feedback. 19. Experiment with ad formats. Test different ad formats, such as carousel ads, video ads, or slideshow ads, to see which performs best with your retargeting audience. 20. Utilize lookalike audiences. After running retargeting campaigns, consider creating lookalike audiences to expand your reach to users who share similar characteristics with your engaged audience. By following these steps, you can create an effective Facebook ad campaign for retargeting, reconnecting with users who have previously interacted with your brand or content. Regularly analyze performance metrics and make data-driven adjustments to optimize your campaign for better results. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get more content. See you soon.